We would have wanted that all of us from 46 and 47 DDOCs would have joined this occasion, and to some extent we had succeeded in booking the mess, etc. But then because of the COVID-19, later on some people backed out due to mental reservation about the COVID infection. So eventually it was Minocha who took the lead in to host the lunch and all. And that's how we are here. We are here, some of us, but we are definitely missing those who could not join, especially those who are Delhi NCR based. We are definitely miss them, and I wish them all the very best and good luck. And let us enjoy now.
Yeah. Now, AVM Mohan will give a peace of mind.
Yep.
Peace of mind.
कुछ किताब लिखते हो
नहीं, अभी तो भट्टू को बोलना चाहिए।
बोलने का
अभी तो
मैं तो सीरियली जा रहा हूँ। गिव ए पीस ऑफ माइंड।
अभी भट्टू कर दो।
थोड़ा सा ऑन है, नजदीक नजदीक।
Today we have all completed 50 years, and it's a long time, a very long journey, I must say. And in age, we are all 70 years plus, I suppose.
75 पहुंच रहा है, नंबर 90 वाला क्या बोल रहा
I
है?
was reading on the net the other day. It's only 9% of the population of the world which lives beyond 65 years of age.
We are lucky.
So we are all very privileged lot, and that's another reason to celebrate. I think may we have many more gatherings like this, and we must enjoy as long as possible in our time. All the best. Good luck.
Now let us hear a big roar from the tiger of Rewa.
Yes. And that too, white tiger.
I still feel as if we can remember each and every instance of when we were in the Coimbatore. It just looks like as if it is only yesterday, yesterday we were there and together. So this is one of the finest things which Minocha and Swadhin has made it out. We will do it again.
Anil has a problem whether to hold the pakoda or hold the mic. Say something, Anil uncle.
You just say, I prefer to hold pakoda.
I'll prefer to hold pakoda than this mic. This has been a long journey and enjoyable. We were privileged to be together for a long time. From the time we entered the FSC gate, that's been a really good period of my life, and I enjoy it with all my colleagues. And I hope we'll assemble like this very frequently and interact with pleasantries and have a safe and happy life. Thank you.
Now our very own Verma, but this man, our Anil, is counting the pakodas. If in between, Verma has taken the own.
Gentlemen, I am the only privileged officer who has served in 46, 47, 48 also, technically. Yeah. After our flight cadet P.N. Jaipal tragedy, I was the next in the line. Spent about 5.5 months in hospital.
Wow.
So it is a good memoir to think about the olden days which we had. Except the hair part of it, nothing has grown old. And we all cherish and remember our old days.
Yeah.
Yes.
And thank you to all of you.
Great. Now, Bale Bale, Minocha, our course's Bhangra leader, and also evergreen with jokes.
Good afternoon. I welcome everybody. It's Goswami who gave me the idea. I had in mind that Swadhin wants us to all assemble. So I had in mind that yes, we will assemble at our place. He gave the idea, he says, call Swadhin, call this, call this, call this. So we are all here because of Goswami's initiative. and I welcome you all. We have got arranged everything. We have got games, we have got music, dance, we have got tambola for you, we have got plenty of food. So please all enjoy, share your past experience. We know each other more than 51 years. We know thoroughly each one is what. If anybody brags.
Now I am sorry my hand is trembling as the mic is being passed to my better half, but you have to know the movie is focused.
It is nice to meet all of us together. My husband always calls me,
It is your golden chance.
So it is very nice. We were to go to Alekpi, Kerala. We both have visited that place. We will make again sometime when Corona situation is over. Isn't it? Thank you very much. Nice meeting you.
Now, none other than Mrs. Mohan, our course banker.
I'm remembering I joined this family in 76. Now it's 25 years now. Am I right?
No. 45 years.
45 years. And I'm still enjoying. And आज तो खैर बहुत ही बढ़िया है 50 साल आप लोगों को हो गए. And so we had nice party today. Are still having lovely pakoras. Whosoever is missing, please extend. We are all there. But
Now,
it has been real nice.
Here, Air Commodore Mrs. Swadhin Chandra. Promotion, always one rank senior than all of us. Close.
44 years old.
भाई आप सब लोगों को बहुत बहुत मुबारक. जैसे मनोज ने कहा, हम भी हिंदी में ही बोलेंगे कि ये ओकेजन बार बार आए और आप लोग खूब हमेशा ऐसे ही मनाते रहिए. तो
हम लोग पकौड़ा खाते रहेंगे.
पकौड़ा और पकौड़े के अलावा भी और चीजें खाते रहेंगे. बिल्कुल.
बस जान नहीं खाएंगे.
ना जान नहीं खाएंगे.
वो हम लोग
वो तो अधिकार है.
खा चुके हैं, पेट भर गया. ठीक है. बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू.
Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary.
बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू. 46, 47 course.
Now over to the nightingale of our course.
Good song we did. Very good song we did. Thank you. अरे 2-4 लाइन
I just want to say that Dama left service very early, in 20 years, and we were forced to mix in the civilian crowd, which I never felt comfortable till date.
Great.
I'm so thankful to Swadhin Chandra for including us in the group for the last since the last 2 years, and I'm also very grateful to Manoja and everybody for calling us here today. I could never tell in the civilian crowd, and I still feel that we are the patriotic
that's right.
India. Thank you.
Over to the person who can control the tiger.
Yes.
It's very difficult to control the tiger. Yes. Well, I am really very, very happy to be here, especially after the lockdown. It's been a good opening up for all of us. Taking out my clothes. I didn't know whether I have a white chappal or not. When I opened the door, yes, I have one white. I was thinking what to wear with this saree. Anyway, I thank all of you and especially Minocha, Amit Goswami and everyone for having us out here. Even if I miss anyone's name, it doesn't matter. We are all thankful to each one of us. Huh? Yeah. Okay, thank you. All good day to everyone.
3 cheers for 46 and 47 JDOC. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
Author has to speak. You have written a lot, now you speak.
The author. Now it has been a long journey which has culminated in this great party.